Today, we're going to draw a super cute puppy. Step 1. Draw 2 small circles leaning in toward the middle. Now, draw a big circle for the face, but don't draw on the ears. Draw 2 small dots for the eyes. Draw a small triangle for the nose. Draw a little W for a happy smile. Make a little hug for the leg. Add a straight line for the body. Now, make another little hug for another leg. Last step, draw a curly tail. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.